In this line of work, you need strength as well as instinct. Put it right here. Ready? Go! That's why you pick me. It's your move. Fruit cake, my hand hurts.
Everyone watching at home, I want you to check this out. One ball, one receiver, one choice. Okay, go. And that's why you should pick me for fantasy football.
Last year, they didn't know what I was capable of.
Oh.
This year, they still don't. Pick me. It's your move.
Seriously, how many reasons do you need to pick for fantasy football? There's one. There's two. There's three. Seriously, I can do this all day. There's another one. Pick me.
Come on, let's go.
They've been asking me to do this all day. Check me out. Pick me. It's your move. It's really only 4:59. They hate it when I do this. Pick me for fantasy football.
In this league, if there's a hole, no matter how small, you need to be able to get through it. Check this out.